Chris in the studio with us, we couldn't pass up the opportunity to have him show us his projects and do the trunk show with us. So I think these are some of the cutest projects you've ever designed, Chris. But I'll let everybody else decide. So let's get started. The first one he's going to show us is the Go Spooky Friends door banner.
So I have it right here. We've got 3 of our skeleton friends on it.
Oh, this is so cute.
Thank you.
Okay, so what do we piece these blocks with?
So these are made from the 9-inch cube. We have shape number 5, and then the parallelogram, which is shape 16? Is it?
Okay, it's from corners, right?
From angles.
Angles.
Yes. So it's from the Angles companion set.
Better than I am. This is great.
And I used the free downloadable blanket stitch for the skeletons, and I just did them in different colors.
Each one's in a different color. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then we have to look at the fabric.
Yes.
So you're looking at the fabric, and we're going to turn it over so that you can see
this is the large scale.
The larger scale on the fabric. So this is your fabric that you designed, right?
It is. This is my Damask Fatal fabric line.
Okay.
So the wide backs is a larger scale. My shirt today is also
wide backs too?
Yes. So I have it in this dark gray, a lightweight, which is what I'm wearing, and then I just launched a green colorway.
Oh my gosh. And that's what is on the front too, is more of your fabric, right?
Yes. Yeah, this is the regular quilting cotton, smaller scale for that.
Fantastic. All right. And people can find that
at rosecityoriginals.com.
Okay. Thank you. Because somebody's going to ask. I know what you're thinking. Okay.
I'm an independent fabric designer, so right now it is only available on my website.
Okay. Well, let's just lay this out because it's too cute to put away. And the next one we've got is a shirt, and I love it.
So this is the Go Bad to the Bone t-shirt. So we've appliqued on our little skeleton friend, and then used the 2-inch classic alphabet to spell out the words.
And did you use the free embroidery for all of that?
I sure did,
yeah.
Yes. So this one I used the satin stitch, and you can do 4 lines of wording, and it's about the same height as the skeleton. So if you want a different saying, you can do that also.
And by the way, the skeleton is wearing the quilted trucker hat, just that you also designed, right?
I did, yes.
Okay, I love that. And I always like using the satin stitch on clothing because
it's more durable.
Washed. It's the most durable one.
Yes.
I'm not standing on my mat. You can see how tall Chris is today or how short I am. Okay, the next thing that you designed was a trick or treat tote.
Yes.
Trick or treat tote.
Grab it here. So this is fun. So on AccuQuilt.com, you can download the pattern.
Okay.
It uses a ½ yard of canvas, and you make the tote from scratch.
Okay.
And I liked that because then you can do the applique first.
Oh, before, that's so much easier.
So you don't have to worry about hooping it or on a pre-made bag ripping the seams and then resewing them.
Yeah.
And I'm a little tricky in the pattern. I'm going to walk you through making a French seam without you even knowing it. So there's no raw edges on this tote.
Look at you. That is so fun. And that is a great skill to have. It's nothing, it's not hard, it's not complicated.
It just sounds intimidating.
And Chris writes such good patterns.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
I also made the tote a little smaller than a standard tote, so it's the perfect size for little kids to carry.
And it doesn't have the long handles. You know, if you got a pre-made bag, they have long handles for like adults, and then they're dragging them on the ground.
Yep.
All right, now the last, maybe, I don't know, my favorite. Where'd they go?
They're over here.
Okay. Look at these. Oh, I'm going to put it down because I think it's easier to see laying down.
So these are the Go Skeleton dolls. You can use craft foam or sticky backed felt. And I just have some butcher's twine to hold all the pieces together. This is a great no-sew project for kids.
It is.
And it's just fun. You can hang these up around the house. If you have a Halloween tree, they'd make great ornaments.
Oh my gosh, that is so clever. I think I want to make them out of craft foam and hang them from my tree in my front yard for Halloween.
Oh, that's a fun idea, yes.
Or you could make them, I mean, my head, I'm exploding. You could put them on gift bags. You could just stick them onto bags, but you could put them on like hang them off of wreaths and garlands and
Yes.
so
Lots
many
of fun
great
ideas.
ideas. So all of these are Chris's patterns, all using his ghost skeleton die, and they're all available as free downloads on AccuQuilt.com. I love them all.
Thank you. It was so much fun to design and make.
Thanks for being here.